Good morning. I'm Mipal Martano. My topic is the normalization first normal form. And the data is everywhere. Some of it are not organized. Normalization from the root word normal is to avoid and reduce redundancy. The main purpose of normalization in database management system DBMS is to organize data efficiently and effectively by minimizing redundancy and improving data integrity. This is achieved by structuring the database into tables that follow specific rules known as normal forms. For example, there are three friends asking that one friend to her two friends that who is the friend of We Bears Bears in the favorite cartoon movie. The first friends answer him that panda bear bear eyes bears Silai are the friends of We Bears Bears. And the second friend answer him too that Sai Bear, Lai Panda, Ice Bear are the friends of We Bears Bears. Equivalent despite having the names in different order when it comes to a relational database. The same principle applies. Let's record the names of the bear's friends in tables and then let ask the database to return those names back to us. The result will get returned to us in any arbitrary order. For example, they might get returned like this or any other order. There is no right order. Are there ever situation where there's a right order? Suppose we write the friends of the We Bears Bears from tallest to shortest. Like this, we title our list member of the We Bears Bears friends from tallest to shortest. And this list is not just the name that conveys totally comprehensible to us, but they are not normalized. Remember, there's no such thing as row order within a relational database table. So here's we have our first violation of normal forms. When we use row order to convey information, we're violating first normal forms. The solution is very simple. Be specific if we want to capture high information. We should devote a separate column to it like this, or even better like this. Far seems one way in which a design can fail to achieve first normal form, but there are others. A second way of violating first normal form involve mixing data types. Suppose our birth friend's birth year date set look like this. If we, if you're accustomed to spreadsheet, you'll be aware that they typically won't stop you from having more than one data types within a single column. For example, they won't stop you from storing both numbers and string in a column, but in a relational database, you're not allowed to be. This they won't stop you from storing both numbers and in a column, but in a relational database, you're not allowed to be. In data modification, anomalies can be categorized into three types: insertion, deletion, and updation anomaly. These are example of friends, the tables of friends pairs. We have in bears, ice bears, and ice bears, lie, Sai, panda. And they have a insertion table, which means the ice bears columns, which mean they have in data in a first normal forms, which is not be allowed to be have insertion. And now we're going to delete this. We have to be deletion of these columns. And now we're going to updation of the gender of ice bears, which means the friends of Weber's bears are one male and the ice bears are female. Yes, no. Which means the ice bears friends are one female friends. I mean one male friends. The advantage of normalization is minimize data redundancy. Normalization reduces duplicate data by organizing into smaller related tables. Improves data integrity by avoiding update anomalies. Normalization enhances the accuracy and consistency of data. Simplifies querying well normalized database. Make it easier to retrieve and manipulate data through queries. And the disadvantage of normalization is increased join operation. Normalization can lead to more complex query operation involving multi-table joins, potentially impacting for performance design complexity design. The complexity of a process of normalization can result in a more intricate data schema, making harder to understand for some user. And the first normal form of I1 in F atomic values each column should contain should contain of should contain yes the code for the code contain only atomic indivisibilities values, and there should be no repeating groups of arrays. When a table satisfies first normal form, it ensures that data is organized at the most basic level, laying the foundation of further normalization. Second normal form, 2NF, is a database normalization rule that addresses the issue of partial dependency in a relational database. To achieve 2NF, a table must first be in first normal form, 1NF. Additionally, every non-prime attributes not part of the primary key must be fully functionally dependent on the entire primary key, not just part of it. Types of normal form. First normal form, 1 and F, ensures that each column in a table contains atomic indivisible values and there are no repeating groups of columns. Second, normal form ensures that non-prime attributes are fully functionally dependent on the entire primary key, eliminating partial dependency. The third normal form, 3NF, builds on 2NF by eliminating transitive dependencies. Not prime attributes should not depend on other prime attributes. Beyond's called normal form, BCNF, a stricter version of 3NF when every non-trivial functional dependencies involves a superkey. The fourth normal form, 4NF, deals with no multi-value dependencies, ensuring that one attribute does not determine another attribute's set of values. The fifth normal forms, 5NF addresses cases where a table contains joint dependency, ensuring that certain relationship between attributes are maintained. Normalization helps minimize redundancy and dependencies issues a database, promoting the data integrity and efficiently. Thank you.